everyone, so I just uploaded another food diary on my vlogging channel, The Third Shift. So I basically just have been recording over the space of a couple weeks, kind of the meals I like to prepare for myself. This is really just incorporating a lot of healthy food and just so I can maintain my weight over time. So if you want to get some ideas on how to prepare your own meals and just kind of to see what I am doing, and if you want to get inspiration from that for your own healthy diets, then go over right now to my other channel, The Third Shift. Make sure to go and subscribe because I do like to upload different kinds of video on there, and I want to be doing a lot more food videos in the future. So click on the video right now. It'll take you to my new food diary. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you there.